Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we mark the centers in the circle and in the arc in AutoCAD. So let's suppose this is the circle that we have and here is the arc. So to mark the centers, we just have to click on this annotate, and just after clicking, here we have center lines group. Just click on mark center. You can use the command that is center mark. As you can see here, it is center mark. Now just after selecting this command, your command will say to select the circle or the arc to add center mark. So let's suppose I'm selecting the circle, and just after selecting you can see here we have centered as marked. Again you can continue to select the arc, or you can select the circle as well again, and if you're done then press escape. So this way you can do the center marking, guys. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.